Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan and you are watching on the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to write inclusion tags. So let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. In this example, we are going to recommend latest posts. Okay, and for this we will just jump inside the template tag, block tags, and we have to define a new function. We'll say def show latest posts. Now I will say default parameter count of 3, and we will say latest post equals to post dot objects dot filter, and we will say filter with status of published, and we will order them by minus of created. Should be minus of created, that means in descending order. And now we have to slice this up to count. Okay, now we will return a context, so we'll say return latest posts. Okay, great. Now we have written our inclusion tag, but we have to register it, and for that we will say @register dot inclusion tag. Okay, great. Now see, here inside the bracket we have to provide the path of the template that to be rendered. So right inside the template, inside my app, we will create a new file saying show latest post.html. okay, and here I will say for post in latest posts and line breaks. Okay, save this. So now we have our template, we have our inclusion tag. For now I will not add the path to this HTML file because I want to show you something. So later on we will add the path to this particular file. Okay, so just jump inside detail.html and right before the comment you will say h3 latest post /h3, and now we will say show latest post. Save this. Now run the server. Python manage.py run server. Okay, copy this link, paste it, go to /list. Okay, that's great. So we have the list view. Now let's go to the detail view and see what happens. And we got an error saying did you forget to load, and it seems yes, but no, it should be show latest. Okay, it's show latest posts. So remember, here we have to write the function name, so it should be posts. So if you change this show latest post to anything, it really doesn't matter, it's just the name of the function. Okay, just save this, and now I will refresh, and now we got an error saying permission denied a path to templates. So see, here we are referred till this template folder. Now inside the path you just have to add my app / the HTML file. show latest post. Okay, .html. Save this, and now refresh, and again it says my app. No, I have refreshed. Again refresh, save this, and now refresh. Great. So now you can see we have all those 3 posts that we have defined in the latest post. But let's say you want to change the count. Here you have only 3 count. Let's say you want to provide 5 similar posts, latest post. Then for this you will just provide a parameter like this. You will say 5. Okay, now just do this and refresh. Now you can see we have 5 latest posts. Again you can just change here to anchor tag. You will say you will say post.get absolute URL. Okay, refresh. Actually I should put that inside anchor tag. Now save that and refresh. See, we have all the posts, and all those posts are in form of link. Okay, great. So that's all for this lecture. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram harshvardhan.ai. Thank you.